In this example, we're going to be using index law 4. We've been asked to expand each of the following using that fourth index law. So firstly, 5b cubed. And the index law here says that if you've got two things multiplied together and then taken to a power, we should split them up and take each to the power. So we have 5 cubed times b cubed. And then 5 cubed, if the numbers aren't too big, you're expected to evaluate them. So let's just work that out down here. 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Multiply that by 5. Well, 20 times 5 is 100 plus another 25, so we have 125. It's even better if you just know that by heart, but you can calculate it. 125b cubed is therefore the expanded form. For the second one, we have negative 2x cubed y to the power of 4. Now we've actually got three things taken to the power of 4, negative 2, x cubed, and y. So let's write them out in full. We have negative 2 to the power of 4. I'm keeping the brackets there so that I'm not just taking 2 to the power of 4. X cubed to the power of 4. And y to the power of 4. I don't need brackets around the y there because it just stands by itself. Now negative 2 to the power of 4, again let's work that out. Negative 2 to the power of 4 is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. So that means negative 2 to the power of 4 is positive 16. So we'll write 16 there. And x cubed to the power of 4, remember when we have a power of a power, so like x to the power of 3 to the power of 4, we multiply the powers. So we have x to the power of 12. 3 fours are 12. And we have the y to the 4 just by itself at the end. For the third expression, we have 4 outside the brackets, c squared d cubed to the power of 5. Now the fact that we have 4 outside the brackets means we're not going to take it to the power of 5. We're going to just leave it out the front. So we have 4 c squared to the power of 5 times d cubed to the power of 5. And now we've got powers of powers. So 4 c to the power of 10, 2 5s are 10, d to the power of 15. And we can't actually simplify that any further, so that's our final answer.